Amazon Early Prime Day is running huge offers all over the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here you'll find incredible discounts of up 40% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up 4 best treadmill on Amazon that you can save you a huge amount on Amazon. So don't forget to watch to the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below. Number 1. Peloton Cross-Training Tread. Treadmill for running, walking, and hiking with manual or auto incline options and an immersive 24-inch HD touchscreen. Exercise equipment for home cardio and strength workouts. Brand, Peloton. Item weight, 258 pounds. Material, carbon steel. Maximum speed, 12.5 miles per hour. Special feature, 21.5-inch rotating full HD touchscreen, Auto Incline, built-in speaker, compact design, intuitive speed and incline rotating controls knobs with jump buttons. Maximum horsepower, 3 horsepower. Personalized fitness plans. Find non-stop motivation with tailored weekly workout routines and personalized class recommendations based on your recent workouts and fitness goals. Insights and analysis help you discover fitness patterns, track progress, and stay active as you continue to grow. Value-packed membership. A Peloton All-Access membership, $49.99 per month, unlocks all Peloton content and applicable features on your Peloton hardware. Enjoy live and on-demand classes, personalized guidance, and weekly recommendations tailored to your goals to help you and your entire household create a balanced fitness routine. Number 2. Foldable Treadmill with Auto Incline. 48-inch by 18-inch wide running belt, 10 miles per hour, 3.5 HP brushless. Walking pad treadmill for home, auto folding, no installation, 350 lbs capacity, app. Brand, Vital Walk. Product grade, new. Item weight, 115 pounds. Material, alloy steel. Maximum speed, 10 miles per hour. Special feature, adjustable steed, auto incline, compact design, foldable, heavy duty. Recommended uses for product, jogging, running, walking, walking while talking, walking while watching TV. True commercial-grade foldable treadmill? Experience gym-quality workouts on a spacious 18 by 48 running belt and powerful 3.5 HP brushless motor from 0.6 to 10 miles per hour. Enjoy commercial-grade stability and freedom for walking, jogging, or sprinting. With a 350 lbs weight porosity, this walking pad treadmill comfortably supports users of all sizes for a truly professional home fitness experience. Fat-burning sweat workout. 15-level 15% auto incline simulates hills and mountains, burning 80% more calories, 450 kcals in 10 minutes. Ideal for HIIT, weight loss, or cardio workouts. 15 HIIT programs and real-time pulse monitoring for highly efficient fat-burning workouts tailored to any level. No installation, auto-foldable for assembled, ready to use out of the box. Folds away in seconds with a patented one-touch folding and built-in wheels, tucking neatly under a bed. Perfect for apartments, small spaces, and home offices. Number 3. LONTEK Treadmill with Auto Manual 0 to 20% Incline. Treadmills for home. Portable treadmill with 300 to 400 pound capacity. 3.0 to 3.5 HP quiet running machine with adjustable handle height. Brand, LONTEK. Color, black deep blue. Item weight, 87 pounds. Material, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS. Maximum speed, 8.7 miles per hour. Special feature, adjustable speed, auto incline, foldable. Target audience, adult. Maximum horsepower, 3.5 HP. Included components, safety key. One-touch 20% auto incline. The LONTEK treadmills for home can adjust the auto incline from 2 to 20% with just one touch. The Auto Incline treadmill built-in 20 preset programs simulate outdoor training, which is suitable for walking, jogging, and HIIT workster and shape users' legs and core effectively. 3.5 HP quiet motor, 400 pounds weight capacity. The LONTEK fitness treadmill with 3.5 HP quiet brushless motor runs under 45 dB, and it's very quiet both day and night. The running machine for home won't bother your family, roommates, or neighbors while you work out. The treadmill with incline for home supports up to 400 pounds and has dual deck construction, 6 silicone shock absorbers, 7-layer shock absorbing deck to better protect your knees and joints.
Space-saving 6.5-inch foldable design. The LONTEK Folding Incline Treadmill folds fully in seconds for effortless storage. With folded dimensions of only 50 by 25 by 6.5, the running treadmill can be conveniently stored under sofa, bed, or closet, which helps save much space in your home or office.
Number 4. Treadmill with Auto Incline. 300-pound capacity, 3.0 HP folding electric treadmill, up to 8.5 miles per hour speed. Running machine with 17.5-inch wide tread belt and Bluetooth speaker for home use. Brand, Borgusi. Product grade, performance. Item weight, 103 pounds. Material, alloy steel. Maximum speed, 8.5 miles per hour. Recommended uses for product, indoor. Target audience, adult. Widened double shock absorbing deck. Borgusi 45.3 x 17.5-inch large running track to fit different users' stride lengths. The stability of the double-deck running surface benefits from the integrated shock absorption system. The double-deck technology cushions your footfalls with each step. Borgusi treadmill is designed to accommodate users of most body types with a weight capacity of 300 pounds. One-touch auto incline and speed control. 15% auto incline treadmill fully meets your various workout intensity. 3.0 HP silent motor supports the max 8.5 miles per hour speed, which is ideal for walking, jogging, and running. Both incline and speed can easily switch via the panel or quick keys on the handrail. Intuitive LCD panel and Bluetooth speaker. Large LCD display shows time, speed, distance, calories, incline, and pulse. P1 to P15 preset programs personalize your workout for specific goals. Features the integrated Bluetooth speaker, you can sync your favorite music wirelessly while you're exercising. 20 minutes easy assembly and space-saver design. 90% assembled treadmill with detailed instructions, only need to put a few screws on. The soft drop system helps you fold or unfold safely without damaging your floor. Transport wheels allow you to move the treadmill easily to anywhere you want.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.